Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Let's Wing This, where I only have a general idea of where things are going to go when I get started. And I noticed last week when I filmed my first video that the lighting in my space is not great and there's shadows all over no matter what I do. So I came across this ESDDI lighting kit that also comes with a green screen. I thought, you know what, I need the recording lights. It's a really great lighting deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up and see if I can make the lighting a little bit better. And I've only been recording video for about 3 weeks now and doing editing. So I'm really brand new to it, but I thought, you know what, the green screen looks like a lot of fun. So I might also give that a try because I bet I could do some really fun stuff with it. So you're here with me. Let's go on this journey together. Let's wing this. All right, so one of the things that I want to know about this kit is how much it weighs. I was really surprised when I moved it in off of my doorstep because it weighed a lot more than the 8 pounds that somebody said either in a comment or a question or review on Amazon. Said something about it weighing like 8 pounds. I thought, all right, well, maybe they're off by a couple of pounds. It's like 12 pounds. When I picked that thing up, that thing's got to be like at least 30 pounds. Or maybe I'm a weakling. Or maybe I'm way stronger than I thought I am. Anyway, so I want to find out how much it weighs. Let's see how much it weighs. All right, so the first thing that we have to do is actually get this unboxed and get everything set up. Now that's going to take a few minutes, so I'm actually going to just kind of probably fast forward through all that. If there's anything interesting along the way that I'm going to stop, I'll show you that as I get things unboxed. But probably you're just going to see some fast forward here, and next thing you know, everything will be set up. I'll get things plugged in, turned on, and see what they look like. So I have a little bit of a problem with one of my umbrella stands, the fixture that the umbrella attaches to. So the way that the umbrella attaches to the fixture, the pole slides right through here like this, and there's a thumb screw that goes in this side to hold it in. Well, the problem, and I don't know if I can focus on this, is there's melted plastic about halfway up the thumb screw there. So I tried quickly to kind of scrape it off, but it seems to be kind of down in the threads. That's not going to work. So I guess I am down a light for the moment, unless I can figure out how to get this out of here. Yeah, I'll play with it and see. All right, I think given the fact that I did not expect that to work at all, this has turned out like a win. So let's give this a try now and see if it will work for us. Hey! All right, so I got the lights set up, obviously, they're behind me there. So I need to make some room and I need to get the backdrop set up for the green screen. So that's next. All right, so it's set up here behind me. It's okay. There's still a lot of wrinkles in it, and to be honest, like, I'm afraid to make a lot of motion gestures because, you know, I tried to do a little test of keying out the green screen. It works okay, but there's a lot of artifacts behind it, a lot of kind of green halo. I did just add kind of a spotlight hanging flashlight behind me, but it's not really aiming at me, so I don't know if that's actually going to help with anything or not. It's one of those things I saw on the internet, so we'll give it a try. Now, as far as the lights go, so I've got the softboxes are actually pointed lighting the green screen, and the green screen has to be kind of evenly lit so that you can actually get that even color distributed across it in order to actually cancel it out. And then I've got the umbrella lights are pointed right up here at me because you have to light your actor. And then of course there's all this space between me and the screen because you don't want your shadow to be cast on the screen. Again, all things that I've learned just from watching like 3 YouTube videos in the past week. So overall, owning the green screen, I don't think it's going to be that cool for me. I don't have a subscription to any kind of like video service where I can use B-roll footage from somewhere that I would want to put in the background. I don't really have anything that I feel like producing to put in the background. This was a huge pain to get set up, and to be honest, I use my garage a lot, so having to take this apart and tear it down and then do all the work to put it back up, probably not going to happen very often. So as far as actually using the lighting on a regular basis, I'll probably use the softboxes occasionally to light what I'm doing, but it'll probably be in conjunction with the regular incandescent lighting that I have here already. Everything in my garage is going to be covered in dust anyway. Woodworking stuff produces tons of sawdust. I don't have a dust collection system, so hey, there's an idea for a future video. It is what it is. I'm going to hang on to them. I'm going to use them. I got them on a pretty good deal. They were, I think, a little less than $100 on the lightning deal. So it's nice to have this, but how much usage is it actually going to get? I really don't know. We'll just have to see. Okay, so I have some great news. First off, I got a microphone, so this should sound a lot better than everything you've seen so far to this point in the video. Secondly, I ran the green screen through the washing machine. I hung it up before it was completely dry, see if some of the wrinkles would fall out, see if it would key out a little bit better. So I guess I'm going to find out in the future if it actually worked, and you're finding out now if it worked, but it's the future for me. This is like Avengers, isn't it? I don't feel so good.